Hey, market moves coming at you, and what I have for you today is a talk between me and a trader who is just getting started in this market. If you're just new to the market and you're trying to understand stocks and investing in charts, I give this trader the best information to start out with and the best things to research. So stay tuned. This is a great video for someone just getting started. So you basically want to learn how to read charts and trade penny stocks?
Well, I want to know, if that's not even a good strategy, if you're saying, hey, based on how you just repeated that question, I don't even know if you're believing in that strategy. I want to know if the strategy maybe not the strategy, but if the route I'm taking now is appropriate, or should I reevaluate that and go with a different model and then learn a strategy based on another model. I'm a beginner.
Yeah, I think a lot of people can get really good at penny stocks, and if you have discipline to get in and out at the right times, then it's great. But that's not my personality type, so I don't really go with that. But I mean, it's to each his own, and I'm sure like if you pick up some of the skills, this might be your best play in the trading. So there's a lot of different things you can do with penny stocks. You could do screeners. You just can get in a lot of Facebook groups and just see what stocks are trending. And it's a really easy network to get into and just find what's hot. So I don't doubt that it can be profitable, but it's just not my personality. It could be yours though.
Okay. So what's more your personality?
I believe in options, so you could take $200 of that $500 you have, and you can make 10% easily in 5 minutes. And I just don't think you can easily make 10% in a penny stock with $200. I just think you have to get in and out really quickly, and you're also battling that day trading limit. So when you can't buy and sell on the same day more than 3 times, you're kind of limited in the week with those penny stocks.
Then, like I said, I started off with Robinhood. I have the capabilities of investing more. I want to do it smart, so I don't want to. I'm an entrepreneur. I don't want to dump a bunch of money and trade ignorantly. I could invest more into my Robinhood account. Just from what I've read so far, I don't even know if Robinhood is the correct platform I should be trading on. What's your thoughts there?
Well, if you are going to get into charts and technicals, I think Robinhood does not offer anything in that realm. So you'd have to get into E-Trade or Thinkorswim. And I recommend Thinkorswim, but basically, if you want to read charts well and that's going to help you make better trades, you need to be on a platform like Thinkorswim. And Robinhood is good if you want to be able to trade for free. So what I do is I use Thinkorswim for the technicals and I use it for the indicators, but I use Robinhood to get free trading. So I basically just look at the charts on Thinkorswim and then I put in my trades in Robinhood.
Okay, do you think there's more slippage on Robinhood? Well, how are they making the money?
Yeah, there's probably a bunch of slippage, honestly. But it's been pretty liquid for the stocks I've traded. The options seem to have the most slippage, honestly.
Okay.
So stocks, I think you should be good.
Okay. So how do I learn about options? And Thinkorswim, what is the cost of that?
Thinkorswim is free, which is awesome. And you just download it. You put like $1 in your account just to have something in there, or else they won't let you have the account. And you just go to town with it. Look up videos online. That's the best way I learn. But there's options books, there's technical analysis books, and I think if you like books, there's tons in that category too.
Okay. So Thinkorswim, is that an app for the phone or is that a program for the laptop and desktop?
It's both. So that's the best part. It's super powerful for the phone and it's super powerful on the computer.
Okay. So it's completely free. You just put $1 in it and you're good to go?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
And
Go ahead.
and then from there, I would just do a bunch of research and try to understand as much as you can. And with that $500, I would just use that as learning money. And pretty much from there, I would make sure you can do consistently good and trade well. And then eventually you can put more in when you're feeling confident. But there could be a good chance that 500 turns into $50, and you don't want that to be 5,000 turning into $50. So I think it's good to learn before putting in more money.
Okay. I'm with you. I agree with you. So Thinkorswim, options.
We'll pay $100 and it just helps them trade. If you want to make this into a job, you just need to always do it, always be working at it. You have to be motivated to just push through when you're losing, and you have to just know how to handle those losses and be positive. And if you're always hoping that you can get to the other side and make this a living, I think you can do anything if you put your mind to it. So it's very possible to make this $100K a year, maybe $1 million a year eventually. Like, there's no limit, honestly.
Okay.
So
Okay,
it's very exciting if you take the time and you're patient and you just don't give up on yourself. It's very exciting what you can do.
Yeah, I agree. What are the hours of a trader?
They say the best time to trade is the first hour and then the last hour. So most traders come in the first hour of the day and then the last hour of the day. And that's kind of the extent of a full-time trader. But some traders will trade the whole day, and that's really taxing, honestly. I can't do that mentally.
Okay. Do you do research on Saturdays and Sundays?
Lightly. I try to save that for the family and try not to be all in the market. I think it's important to save the weekend to just release your brain and release all the anxiety from the market. It's a great time to just restart and push the restart button for the next Monday.